Construction loans is not a one-size-fits-all type product. Construction is a very different beast depending on the market that you're dealing with, and it's very different from market to market. So knowing who the best banker in town is going to be very helpful, because that's a person who's going to know how to best structure your loan terms, and honestly, identify what your wants and needs are, whether that's as an individual consumer, a person building a home for yourself, or an investor who needs to build and sell it within a certain period of time. A construction loan works in many different ways. There's C2P loans, which is an acronym for construction to perm loans, and not to get into the details of specific product types, but it's basically the financial instrument that is put together to borrow against land and the construction to build a house that doesn't exist yet. It should cover the soft costs and the hard costs of construction. Soft costs are your engineers, your architects, your attorneys, your zoning attorneys, and any other individual party that's not necessarily involved directly with the construction, but is going to help produce the formal documents to push it through the city. Next is your hard costs. These are the costs of building materials, the cost of finished materials. This is the cost of labor, specialty labor such as plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. And all those costs in between, which produces the ultimate construction cost. So you want to be able to get a loan that covers the construction hard costs and your soft costs, which will cover the entire construction project. Knowing what the comps are in your area are very important. You don't want to be the person that's building a $10 million home in an area that is only hovering in the $2 million. These are called comps. This is knowing what the value of real estate is worth in the area that you're building in. It's very important because if you're looking to invest and sell, you don't want to be in an upside down situation. So you want to be able to connect with your local banker, sit down with your local banker. I ultimately find out who's got the best reviews in your area because again, that's the person that you want to work with. Every single market is different and every single person has a different financial situation. So being able to work with a banker who's not afraid of complex financial situations, if you have a complex financial situation, is important.